And now to set up our cloud account and register our SignalTEK QT. To do that, simply go to your web browser, go to TREND AnyWARE's the website and find the cloud sign-in. Very simple steps to sign into an account. You may log in here, but in this case we're creating a new account, so we would say sign up. By selecting sign up, we just simply populate the fields. We're going to speed that up now to finish off the process. And now that we're signed up and verified, we're presented with the AnyWARE Cloud dashboard. It's very simple to walk through, and the first thing I would recommend doing is setting up your profile. To do this, please click on your icon here, where you may populate your details, change the units of measure, meters to feet, and set your organization details. You can add a logo if you'd like, and I recommend stepping through that first. And now to add a device. To do that, we would just move to the main menu, which is in the top left-hand corner here, and look for devices. So just scroll down, there's various options, but in this case, we would like to add a device. To add devices, once we're in this area, use the plus button at the top of the ribbon, where it would ask for your device type, because you can add various devices to the multifunction cloud platform. And in this case, I'm going to scroll down and I have a QT Pro. It will then require the device ID to be registered. To define the device ID, go to your tester. Any cloud-enabled tester in the settings will have the device ID, where I can add that now. And now that I've added my device ID, it's a very simple click to load that onto the cloud. Device IDs are unique to each tester, and once they're registered to that single account. That's why we recommend always have a shared business account where you may add passwords to other team members to use the one account and bring all your data and unify all of your teams across one account. Setting up a cloud account and adding a device is very, very simple. The process only takes a few minutes, where you may add multiple devices and utilize a fleet capability in this system to see software updates and even check the last location that a device was synced. Very, very simple to use and very, very quick to unify your complete team.